turns. Here's that pipe. Long pipe. Hot.
Yep.
I knew it. It goes right here.
Yep.
Somewhere. Yep, there's a bolt for it.
All right. Start putting it together.
I need no instructions.
It's got nice little flip levers to fold it down. Looks good. It's a lock washer, so we'll just have to. Here you go.
What?
So it stays tight.
I need the first screw.
Did you line it up with a hole in the bottom?
Now we can take this piece. Just gotta take that. Is that right?
Look at the end of it. No, look at the end of it. Take it off. Look at the end of it. Lift that off. Lift that off. What does that look like?
A hex.
What's a hex in your hand? No, that's a square.
This is a hex.
Yeah, what's a hex?
Oh, this. Oh,
There
this
you go.
goes in there.
There you go.
Oh, it's that. Then that goes right there.
No, put the bolt in. There you go. Spin this. Got it in?
Yeah. No, this part. I got this. This thing for it.
See if you can figure out where they go.
Oh,
What's
no.
loose? No, not up there. What's loose that needs to be secured?
This? Oh.
Yep, and then probably another one down here.
Can I do that? Nope, I got it. Here you go.
Locked in place. That's all the bolts.
Yep.
Looks like it. Alright, fire it up. Okay, do it again.
Now let's test it for this more.
No, right there on the side of the driveway. Yes. Leland.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah.
There you go. There you go. Just get the snow. Come on.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, this is packed snow. It's probably not going to work as well. But hey, it works.
Yeah.
Etoo Labs 40-volt snowblower.